I'm Whitney Heastie, CEO of BPL. I have a background in engineering. That's where my education and training comes from. I've been with BPL just over 2 years, first as a board member and then as CEO. When I first got to BPL, I was really stunned at the state of the equipment at the generating facilities, both from an operations and also from a maintenance perspective. Some of the equipment was being neglected, and that was years in the making. So that has certainly led us to our current challenges that we are facing today. To say some of our equipment is archaic is truly an understatement. In fact, some of the equipment that we have as the control mechanism for these machines still use 3.5-inch floppy disks. This is our original control room built in the 1970s. It was the first control room, and it's today still housed and operates some of the equipment that we have on site. One of the machines that we recently shut down 9 months ago was being operated out of this control room. Since I've got here, I've seen firsthand how hard the people at BPL are working. They're working 24/7 to make sure they keep these assets up and running as best as they can. They care about what they do, and they're working hard at it. Because they're part of the community, they care just like every one of us. Our team is working on a long-term plan to fix the problems we're facing today. We're upgrading our equipment, we're putting in procedures, we're even updating our processes and procedures to make sure when we replace the equipment that we have the procedures that dovetail to make sure that the equipment stays the way it should be. We're modernizing and upgrading our equipment, designing a centralized generation control whereby we don't have our 3 stations being operated in silos. They'll be operated from a central control center that will be online next year. We're building a modern power utility. Unfortunately, it's going to take time, given years and decades of neglect, but we're committed to getting it fixed for the long term.